The PROXXON battery-powered tube belt sander, RBS-A, for the machining and finishing of railings, pipes, rods, and other round materials of any shape made of plastic, wood, or metal. For example, railings in stairwells need to be visually refreshed or polished, welded seams and edges need to be deburred, or surfaces need to be satin finished. Also ideal for creating decorative ground structures or deburring edges. The cordless tube belt sander RBS-A is the right tool for a multitude of applications. Also in places where there are no sockets or a cable would be a hindrance. The grinding arm, which can be swiveled by up to 60 degrees, enables the machining of difficult-to-access workpieces. And the special design of the guide roller suspensions always guarantees a sufficiently large wrap angle of the belt. There are no compromises when it comes to performance. The sensitive control allows adjustment of belt speeds from 200 to 700 meters per minute. The DC motor with permanent magnet technology offers sufficient power for all kinds of jobs. Power is transmitted to the drive roller by a robust mitre gear. It is housed in a solid and accurately machined die-cast aluminium head. Perfect for precise bearing of gear components and for maximum durability. The yellow soft component in the grip area is gentle on the hands and ensures that holding and guiding the machine is a pleasure in any position. The battery technology used is also the finest. A powerful lithium-ion battery with a respectable 2.6 ampere-hour capacity at a voltage of 10.8 volts guarantees high performance and a long period of use, even under the most demanding conditions. As accessories, there is a practical range of different high-grade corundum belts in 3 different grains. These are perfectly suited for most applications. On the other hand, silicon carbide sanding belt is offered for working hard materials such as glass or ceramics. An extra-fine satin finishing belt is ideal for perfect surface finishing of metal, non-ferrous metal, and especially stainless steel. Sanding belt change made easy. Simply slide the old belt sideways off the roller. The new belt is put on by slightly pressing in the grinding arm and is automatically tensioned by spring force after the arm is released again. Finished. The machine comes with the battery, the matching charger, and 4 sanding belts, each with 2 different grain sizes and 2 satin finishing belts. Everything packed in an elegant and sturdy polypropylene storage case. Practical. Battery and charger can be used for all PROXXON battery-powered machines. This allows uninterrupted work with several batteries without any problems. If one battery is in use, another is charged and is ready for operation again after approximately 1 hour. A valuable advantage especially for the commercial sector. Of interest for customers who already own a cordless machine from PROXXON, the RBS-A is also available without battery and charger. The battery-powered tube belt sander, RBS-A, a strong problem solver for trade and industry. One of 6 PROXXON cordless tools made in Europe. A strong system. PROXXON. Tools with character.